Hey everyone! Welcome to Battery Hacker. I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're checking out something super useful for boat owners, the Form Fusion 10x44 bank marine battery charger. We'll talk about the specifications, features, what I liked, what could be better, and at the end, my final thoughts. So stay with me. Alright, first up, let's talk specs. Here's what you get with the Form Fusion 10x4. Charging banks. 4 independent banks. Total output. 4 amps total, 10A per bank. Supported battery types. Lithium, AGM, deep cycle, lead acid. Voltage. 12-volt system. Waterproof rating. IP67, with weather shield internal coating. Force start mode. Yes, safely revives dead or low voltage lithium batteries. Maintenance mode. Automatic trickle charging to prevent overcharging. Warranty. 24 months, backed by USA-based tech support. Alright, now let's get into what it's actually like using it. First off, installation was simple. It comes with clear instructions and even step-by-step videos online. I love the set it and forget it style. Once the battery is full, it just maintains the charge without overdoing it. That's super important for keeping your batteries healthy in the long run. If you've ever dealt with a lithium battery that won't wake up, this charger fixes that. Force start mode gives a low, safe boost to get that battery back online. And yes, it's built for real marine life. Rain, humidity, saltwater? No problem. That IP67 rating and extra coating really make a difference when you're out on the water or storing your boat. Also, it senses battery type on its own. You don't need to press any buttons or choose settings, it just knows. Here are the main pros and cons based on my use. Pros. Simple and quick to install. Charges multiple batteries at the same time. Smart auto detection for different battery types. Fully waterproof and durable build. Can recover sleeping or low voltage lithium batteries. Cons. Price might be high if you only have one battery. A bit bulky, so plan your mounting space well. But to be honest, the pros far outweigh the cons, especially if you have a multi-battery setup. So what's my final take on the Form Fusion 10x4 charger? If you're someone who wants a safe, powerful, and low-maintenance battery charger for your boat, this is a great choice. It's made for real-world conditions and actually helps extend battery life. You won't need to keep checking on it. Just install it, and it does the work. And hey, if your boat sits for long periods or you have lithium batteries that sometimes shut down, you're really going to appreciate features like force start mode and auto maintenance. If you want to learn more or buy this charger, I've added a link below in the description. Check it out if it fits your needs. It might just make your boating life a whole lot easier. Alright, that wraps it up for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and hit subscribe for more honest reviews and tips here on Battery Hacker. Got any questions or your own experience with this charger? Drop a comment, I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.